The Tao cannot be seen, touched, heard, or smelled, so how do we understand it? It's quite simple, we observe it through people's actions. Laozi said, in the realm of heaven and earth, it is called the Tao, but in human beings, it is called Da. Everyone has the Tao within them, without it, one cannot live. Since we have the Tao, it depends on whether we choose to cultivate it. So, what does Da mean? It means to act in accordance with the Tao and gain something from it. This is called Da. If we behave in a way that aligns with the requirements of the Tao, then it is called possessing Da. If we behave in a way that does not align, then it is called lacking Da. Clearly, Da requires us to act in accordance with the inherent Tao within us. Mencius said, at the beginning, people's nature is inherently good. The Buddhist tradition repeatedly emphasizes that to be a good person, one must understand their nature. This nature is human nature, given to us by the Tao. The Tao gives dogs their nature, which is dog-like. It gives cats their nature, which is cat-like. It gives pigs their nature, which is pig-like. It gives plants their nature, which is plant-like. And it gives humans their nature, which is human. If our behavior aligns with human nature and the Tao, then we possess Da. A person with Da is what we often call a sage. Why are they called a sage? Because they have fully manifested the Tao. If one fails to do so, it is clear that they lack Da. Join us for Dao De Jing Workshop 1, Understanding the Essence of Tao. Sign up now.